Hey everybody, you know me, it's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. I am working in Silverdale today, and this is a one-bedroom apartment, and it's definitely got some wear and tear. You can see where the couches were set there, and I believe this is a lower weight nylon carpet. I thought it might have been polyester, but it actually cleaned up pretty well. I'll go through all the steps here, and I pre-vacuum. In fact, I got a request by somebody that she was interested and liked to watch when people vacuum. I guess it's kind of a, I don't know what that ASMR type thing is, some relaxing thing. But anyway, so I decided today I would go ahead and put the vacuuming on. There's about 10 minutes of it, but I doubled the speed, so it's only 5 minutes. And that'll be coming up here shortly, but you can see I got my work cut out for me here. So bear with me. I'll put some music on so you can enjoy the vacuuming. If you don't like watching vacuuming, just speed it up or skip it. But anyway, I had fun doing the job today. This gentleman is moving to San Diego. A very nice person, and enjoyed the company and getting the job done for him today. So relax and enjoy the music, and have a great day. I'll see you in another video.